So this example, we're going to set up the triple integrals to find the center of mass for the region Q, and the density function is rho of xyz is k times y. The density is proportional to the distance from the xz plane. That's the one back here. And the region Q is defined by this plane, 2x plus 3y plus 6z equals 12, that's the rainbow colored thing. X equals 0, that's the yz plane. Y equals 0 is the xz plane, and z equals 0 is the xy plane. So here is our region. It's the first octant cut by this plane, so it's underneath that plane, above the xy plane, on the inside of the xz plane, and on the inside of the yz plane. So note the line through the point 6, 0 and 0, 4 is finding the slope 0 minus 4 over 6 minus 0, so negative 2/3. And of course the y-intercept is 4, so it would be y equals negative 2x plus 12 over 3. So z, going from 0 to the plane, if you solve the planar equation for z, it's this, right? So that would be our upper limit, z limit. Y going from 0 to this means, if we draw stripes across this region, we'd hit at the top and stop at y equals 0. That's the x-axis. That's all done in the xy plane. And then x would go from 0 to 6. So that's pretty straightforward. And our mass turns out to be 8k, right? I'm just using my software to evaluate that, but these are easy integrals to do. Integral dz, well, d goes from here to here, that would be easy. Then dy, well, it would be just polynomial integration, not very difficult. Moment about the yz would be this same integral, the exact same integral, with about the yz plane with an x added. See the x right in there added? So using my software to evaluate that, I get 48/5 k. Similarly, we go about the xz plane, we need an extra y, so see how that's y squared, so we just got an extra y attached to that one. I let my software evaluate it. Moment about the xy plane needs a z, and so I let my software evaluate that. So where is our centroid, or center of mass? X bar, y bar, z bar, we got 48/5 k over 8k, 64/5 k over 8k, and 16/5 k over 8k. The k's cancel. The 48 and the 8 cancel, giving us a 6, so 6/5. Y is 8/5. Z is 2/5. So it doesn't help much to show those points in this picture, because these points don't reflect the fact that the further away we get from the xz plane, the more dense the object is.